Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube intro. There are some amazing video intro makers out there. Having played around with a lot of them, we've narrowed down the massive list to just 2 top recommendations that we'll share with you. In this YouTube tutorial, we'll run through exactly how to make a video intro on Android. We've included free and paid options so you can decide which one is right for you. Make sure you stick around for our number 1 tip for video engagement at the end. First, we will make a YouTube video intro with Canva. Canva is an awesome graphic design tool on desktop, but they also have a really powerful app on iOS and Android. To get started, open the app and create a free account or login. Go to the right corner and click Create a Design. A few suggested designs will come up, but you'll need to type Intro into the search bar. Select the preset template for YouTube intro, and this will set your project at the custom size for a YouTube video intro. Once the project opens, you'll see a bunch of templates that you can choose from. Some of them will be marked as Pro, which means you'll need Canva Pro to unlock them. But don't worry, there are heaps of free options. Click on template that you like, and there will be multiple pages inside the template. You can decide how many of the scenes you'd like to include, or you can select Apply All Pages. Now, to custom, you can play around with the different elements and choose which graphics and text you like it there. Delete anything from the template you don't like. To change the text, click on the text box, and you can change the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing in the top menu bar. But I will click on font, size, and color. You can also adjust the shape of the text box by clicking and dragging the sides. To insert your logo, images, or videos, select Uploads on the left menu. Click Upload Media and find the images you'd like to upload. If you've uploaded one of your own videos, you can trim it by selecting the scissors icon. Select the snippet you'd like to include and press Done. To change the background color, select the background and go to the colored box on the top menu bar. You can also change the color of lots of other elements by selecting them and clicking on that same box. To add more graphics, photos, and shapes to your project, simply select them in the Elements tab. Once you've got your elements sorted, you can add animations to them. To do this, select the box of the element and click Animate in the top menu bar. You'll see a few different presets you can choose from, such as tumble, rise, or fade. You can also adjust the timing of each of the scene in your timeline by selecting the page and clicking the stopwatch icon in the menu bar. Now, to add audio to your video intro, select Audio in the left menu bar. There are a bunch of audio tracks in there that you can add to your project. If you can't find the right audio track on Canva, we recommend checking out Epidemic Sound or at least for a massive music library. Now, we would like to add a blank page as the last scene of every project. This is so that the video ends on a completely blank screen, animating out the last scene of your intro video. To do this, press the plus button on the bottom timeline and then change the background color to black. Now, there's so much you can do to customize your animated video intro in Canva. So take your time and play around with the different features. For a preview of your work, click the play button in the top right corner. When you've got a final product that you're happy with, click the download icon in the top right corner under or beside file type. You can leave MP4 video selected. Select all pages and then press download. Your video intro will now download onto your phone or Android device. Now it's time to make a video intro for YouTube on Placeit. If you want something with more templates and customizable, then this is one of might be for you. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.